Welcome to onlinellcguide.com. Are you in Arizona and you wish to start an LLC there? Or you're not, but you also wish to form an LLC in Arizona? Have a look on this page because it's a complete guide how to do it. I will show you, for example, there's a clear table here, Arizona LLC at a glance. All the key details you can read here, for example, $50 state filing fee, everything you need to know before filing in Arizona. Then there's a complete step-by-step guide how to do it, a full breakdown of the costs, one-time formation costs, annual recurring costs, 3-year total cost, the processing timeline, and so much more. So feel free to scroll down the page, read the full step-by-step guide and all the details. If you are already ready to form your LLC in Arizona, you can click this button right here. It will bring you to the Northwest Registered Agent page, and they will handle all the rest for only $39, and they include the registered agent service free for the first year, which is huge also. If you are interested in why we choose consistently Northwest, there's a separate page here, compare services. It will bring you to a full explanation of why we choose Northwest, or you can click the link below the video. It will bring you there too. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your LLC in Arizona, and I'll see you in the next guide. Bye, have a nice day.